I'm going to talk today about Mac shame, specifically messy desktop shame. Something I hear all the time when I work with people one-on-one is, don't look at my desktop, don't judge me. I'm here to tell you that having a messy desktop is extremely normal. I'll tell you why, and it's very fixable. I'm going to show you how. There are several reasons why having a messy desktop is normal, but one of them is that you're busy, you've got other stuff going on in your life, and organizing files on your desktop is a low priority. Also, it's difficult to make decisions about where stuff goes. Do you delete it? Deleting things is terrifying in general. What if you need it? Do you put it in a folder? Where? What's the name of the folder? Etc. All of those decisions come up as soon as you try to move anything. And lastly, cleaning your desktop requires a bunch of little mini skills that not everybody has learned. I'm going to show you some of those in this video. Check out some of my other videos for a deeper dive into organizing and filing. So when you're faced with a desktop like this one, it is very daunting to start to even think about cleaning it up. One of the first things that I do, and this is in Mojave, I believe, and later, is I go under the View menu and I go to Use Stacks. When you turn that on, everything on the desktop groups by type. So now all of my documents are in this pile of documents, all my images are in this pile of images. You get the idea. And you just click on one, it expands out, and then you can open it from here, or you can drag it onto email if you want to email it. And then you click this little arrow to collapse it. Now, this is great, but it creates a new problem of it's impossible to see how much you actually have on your desktop because it is nicely organized into little piles. On my Mac, on my actual work machine, I have 467 items on the desktop. So now when it comes time to actually organize the desktop, my favorite way to do this is by opening two Finder windows. So I'll go File, New Finder Window, or press Command N. So I'll press Command N twice, and then move one of the windows over to the side. The left window, I point it to my desktop so I can see what's actually on my desktop here. And the right one, I point it to Documents. Here in the Documents folder, you can make new folders. So you can just go to the little gear and say New Folder, or the keyboard command for that is Command-Shift-N. And now you can just drag stuff from left to right. So if you want to drag an individual file, you can drag it from the desktop and put it into the Boring Spreadsheets folder here. And now that has moved it off the actual desktop into this folder. What you see in this folder here is the same as what you see on the actual desktop. If you delete something from here, it will delete from the desktop. I usually use list view, so I go view as list, which is Command 2. This allows me to sort by name or sort by date, or my favorite is to sort by kind. And if I want to get rid of a big group of files, you just click the first one and hold shift and click the last one in the group. Disk images are basically useless. Once you've installed this item, then you don't need it anymore. I want to move all of these to the trash, so I hold Command and I press Delete on the keyboard. And those all just went into the trash. That's much, much better than dragging it to the trash. But with those techniques, like click the first one and shift click the last one, or you can hold the Command key down and click individual files, then you can drag these into images. You start to get through things pretty quickly. You're moving bigger groups of files at a time. And eventually, when this gets down to 0, you're going to have a totally clean desktop. And then once your desktop is totally clean, you can start to dump stuff on it again for a year or two until it gets very messy again. And lather, rinse, repeat. Boom, Mac Epiphany. If you found this helpful and you want some private Mac coaching with me or someone from my team, just head to macinhome.com/booking. We work with people all over the world, helping with every problem on your Mac problems list, and you will never be judged or made to feel bad about whatever mess you're in. Three reasons why Three reasons why having a messy... There are several reasons why having a messy desktop is normal, and that's probably as good as this video is gonna get.